Good afternoon. So here's what we're looking at for today, October 18th. Is mostly sideways stuff. I think I drew this range. Yeah, based on, okay, so this sell-off in the overnight, I was just looking for a measured move early on, and that corresponded with these highs from yesterday. Not the high from yesterday, but these highs. And you can see we found resistance there today. So Uh, let's take a look at these trades. Uh, we were forming this triangle. Yeah, I was up early today, so I saw this. And, perhaps you take this one anticipating a breakout, but it is off this trend line, but it's not really, according to max rules. I don't think you can take that. This one's pretty tempting. Failed second entry long. Um, Problem is, you might be looking at the second entry long itself, but this was not a strong move up, and we already got a break. And I think you're pushing it. So I mean, maybe you consider going short there, and then we just go sideways for a really long time. I don't like any of this personally, especially since it's near what I was anticipating was the midline. Looks like you get a channel right here, doesn't make it to the highs. And then we get this higher low, and that leads to a move to the high, or the measured move. And then we go kind of sideways. Honestly, I would like this. I'd be a little disappointed after these next three bars, but I'd probably enter on this. So if you're somebody who's trying to swing, uh, and it ends up being a great swing, then we come back up, test the high, make a new high, and we sold off after that. I mean, honestly, you could this looks pretty convincing as a higher low, but I'd be pretty quick to take profits at that level of resistance. I like this. We're coming off the highs, and you get a failed second entry long right here. Boom. That leads to a sell climax. So you do get a second entry short here, which I like, but the sellers might be exhausted. This was a strong sell climax. Um, so yeah, looks like a lot of the good trades came in the last like hour and 20 minutes. We should take a look at the weekly chart. I haven't looked at that in a while. But here's the last look at the 1300 tick chart. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Looks like it might be an inside bar today. I'm going to pause the video and pull up the weekly. You can see here on this weekly chart, we're chugging along. And it looks like we're going to close this week with another bull bar. So uh, we're still in this big move up. So maybe we'll create a wedge top. Maybe we'll just keep going higher. But that looks like the channel to me. So anyway, hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back to Monday.